Hello guys, let us today discuss the sixth question of exercise 9.1. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. The key point in this question is making a diagram. A 1.5 meter tall boy, 1.5 meter, is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Let us consider the boy be AB and tower be CD. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. Angle of elevation from the eyes means from A we have to see the elevation. So this can become our horizontal line. Increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees when the boy moves forward towards the building. So we have to be careful in marking the angle of elevation. Let this point be E, F and G. So we have to find the distance he has walked towards the building. We have to find what is BE. As we have drawn an imaginary line AG, so BE is equal to AF, FG is equal to ED and AG is equal to BD. So we have to consider CG. How to find CG? We know the boy's height is AB. So CG is equal to CD minus AB, which is 30 minus 1.5, which is equal to 28.5 meters. So this is 28.5 meter. We have to find AF, that is AG minus FG. So starting from the triangle CGA. Be careful in taking the triangles. We know tan 30 is opposite by adjacent side, that is CG by AG, which gives us 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 divided by AG, which gives us AG is equal to 28.5 root 3 meters. Then in triangle CGF, tan 60 is equal to CG by FG, which gives us root 3 is equal to 28.5 by FG, which in turn gives FG is equal to 28.5 by root 3. Rationalizing by multiplying and dividing by root 3, we get FG is equal to 28.5 root 3 by 3, which is equal to 9.5 root 3 meters. So the distance he walked is AF, that is BE. We can get it by substituting the values in our equation 1. AF is equal to AG minus FG, which is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3, which gives us 19 root 3 meters. Therefore, the distance he has walked towards the building is 19 root 3 meters. Thank you. Happy learning. Practice as many problems as you can.